In today's video, we're gonna check out top 3 best budget sewing machines. Starting at number 3. Singer 4432. On the other end of the spectrum is this heavy-duty sewing machine from Singer, which one reviewer calls a workhorse and a half. I chose this model based on the heavy-duty description, as I really do sew for hours a day. Another writes, it had plenty of power to go through multiple layers of Sunbrella fabric smoothly. A third, who admits they'd had some tough luck with Singer machines in the past, but took a chance on this machine and is now a convert. Let me say, wow. Sews like butter, gets the job done, and love that I can go from sewing silk and fur to canvas and denim in one sitting. Check out the description for more information and latest price. Coming at number 2. Brother XM2701. Reviewers are enthusiastic about this Brother sewing machine, especially those new to the hobby. One reviewer sums up the general consensus about the Brother XM2701. Cheap and easy to use. It has many different ways to stitch. Doesn't say how helpful the included DVD is, but one reviewer notes that as useful as it is, it's extremely corny. Many say they appreciate the self-threading feature. As one says, when I lived in the city, I'd run to a random neighbor's house and ask whoever answered the door to thread my needle, so I could hand sew stuff. Yeah. A few fans of the machine itself are not fans of the purple flower decoration, and in the spirit of owning a sewing machine, one reviewer says they didn't care for the decals on the machine, so I went to the dollar store and added my own. Now I love the way it looks. And number 1 of this list. Brother CS6000i. With nearly 6,000 5-star reviews, this sewing machine led one user to compare it to a friendly sewing robot. Hundreds of reviewers say it is especially ideal for those new to sewing, as well as hobbyists. It fits right in between that beginner and intermediate level, explains one. Many cite its value, ease of use, and lightweight but sturdy feel, and fans love the ease of the drop-in bobbin. One notes that the bobbin is a dream to wind and insert. Along with the many first-timers, dozens of reviewers write about returning to sewing on this machine, like the not atypical user who says, I had not touched a sewing machine in 30 years, but having recently become semi-retired, find myself with extra time on my hands, and decided to try sewing again. I am a novice seamstress, so I only needed a simple machine. I am totally impressed with everything about the machine. Setup and instructions for use were clearly explained, and it worked like a charm, even going through thick portions of material easily. All of these items are available on Amazon. I have included all the links in the description. You can check out these links for more information and latest price. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button below, share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.